Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, today we're gonna react to Sonara again, no, with their song Tabi, but this time is their dance practice. Finally, man, finally. I don't know about you, but I feel like during their performances, yung sa tatlo beses na nag-perform siya ng live, parang never ko pa na, parang hindi, I don't know, because parang hindi ko na masyadong napansin yung choreography nung kanta nila o yung choreography nila sa kanta. So, I'm really excited with this, you know? Parang I just realized, nakita ko tong dance practices to na, oh nga, no, parang hindi ko pa talaga nakikita na yung, I mean, sumasayaw sila, which is they're very synchronized, especially on the chorus part of the song, to their live performances. But I never actually like focus on that because I focus more on the song because it's a new song, you know. So now we're just gonna focus on the dance choreography basically because again this is dance practice, right? So I'm really excited with this, man. Without no further ado, let's get it. See, with that weird feeling again na we're watching a dance practice in this studio but it's not SB19. I guess kailangan natin masanay dyan, no? Kasi most probably in the future they're going to release new groups again or artists na for dance practice dito sa anong to, no? Hey. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Nami. Nami's movement is crazy. I don't know, but hindi ko ine-expect na ganito ka-graceful gumalaw si Nami. I don't know because maybe he's wearing just a sexy outfit, like parang napaka-elegante niya na parang di siya gagalaw ng ganito. Like what the fuck? Hey. Run, hurry pa. What? Ang hirap naman nung ano na yon, ng routine na yon. Tara mo, di ba bababa sila? Oh, like what the fuck? Baling-bali. Baling-bali yung katawan. Pag ako yun, man, wala na. Hindi na ako makakalakad ng maayos. Meron na akong muscle pain. Hey! I don't know about you, but 10, angas ang dating ni 10, no? Angas. Hey! 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 Oh shit, man! Sabay-sabay sila, no? Ganda tignan eh. Damn! Hey! Nah, man. I'm sorry. I don't know kung anong klaseng training ang ginawa nila this past 2 years. No? Nagka-train sila. But yung movement nila, yung the way sila sumayaw, the way sila sabay-sabay synchronize, man. I don't know what happened on that 2 years, but most probably pukpukan yun para maging ganito sila I know they already, rehearsed this and, practiced this multiple times, but for you to be able to dance, like do this dance practice, like all of you moving on this in sync, man. I'm sorry, I'm just amazed, man, because again, all I'm trying to say is we have a lot of girl groups, man, na dumaan sa Pilipinas, no? Marami tayong magagaling, but not exactly, I mean, individually, sa grupo niya may mga isang dancer na sobrang galing sumayaw, no? But hindi sila parang maganda tignan sumayaw as a group, but come on, man. Kung ano mang routine or training ang ginawa nila during dance practice, may kitang-kita mo, no, yung bunga. Ayaw, pataka! Hey! Hey! Nice! Woohoo! That's fucking clean, man! Sinong kaya gumawa ng choreography nila, no? No, hey! Ngayon ko napansin na yung vinyl scratch is kasabay nung parang domino movement nila. Like, look at this. Hey! That's clean. Fucking movement, man. Man. Fucking Megumi just killed that fucking last part. Kung gaano ka, no? Like, look at her, man. Hey. Damn, man. Come on. Alright, that is Sonara Tabi. No, dance practice. No, man. Guys, we're witnessing a fucking new anomaly sa P-pop natin, no, na most probably the future, kung sakasakali man, no, na our boys is going to retire, no, I hope matagal pa, of course, naman tayo. But again, ilang beses ko na sabi sa inyo na alam naman natin na darating tayo sa puntong yon, no? But if, just in case that our boys retired and hindi pa talaga sila andoon sa end goal nila, at yung sinasabing end goal ni Pablo, I mean, parang kahit papaano pwede na tayong makampante ng konti, because we all know that there is another group in here na kayang possibly tumuloy nun, no? Oh man, this fucking group, you know what, I'm umpisa pa lang, wala pang isang buwan, pero I'm excited sa susunod na project nila, man. I am so excited sa susunod na project nila. And like, one song, like, seeing their talent, the song, parang feeling ko tuloy yung isang kanta, parang hindi pa sapat, parang gusto mo pang makinig ng more sa kanila, but we have to wait, man. We have to wait. No, just calm your tits down. We have to wait. But yeah, that is our reaction for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you on the next one. Peace.